once. I'd like to get out of LaGuardia on time.
Well, you know the only way to get out of LaGuardia on time.
You know, what's that?
Fly to JFK.
Buddy.
Takeoff minimum fuel quantity verified. 19,000 pounds required. We got 21.8 on board.
19,000 pounds required, 21.8 on board.
Cactus 1549, runway 4, clear for takeoff.
Cactus 1549, clear for takeoff.
Tony.
Go this side. Positive ready.
Gear up, please.
Gear up. Nice view of the Hudson. I'll never get over how beautiful it is up here.
Life's easier in the air.
Yes, it is. Birds.
Whoa.
I'll check mid-cabin.
It's okay.
Everyone, might be a good idea just to keep your seatbelts on.
You got one rolling back. You got both of them rolling back. Ignition start. I'm starting the APU.
Just double check your seatbelts, please.
Seatbelts, can I make sure you're
Relax.
seatbelts?
Make sure your seatbelts are fastened.
Seatbelts?
What do you think that was? I think it was a bird strike. And we're going back to LaGuardia. Yeah.
Get out the QRH. Loss of thrust on both engines. Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Cactus 1549.
We hit birds.
Maintain 15,000 Delta 331.
We've lost thrust on both engines. We are turning back towards LaGuardia.
Okay, you need to return to LaGuardia. Turn left heading 220.
220.
Which engine did you lose?
Both. Both engines.
Soup?
Yep.
I have an emergency.
What's the report?
Both engines.
What?
Both engines gone, no thrust.
All right. LaGuardia says go to runway 13.
Tower, stop your departure, got an emergency returning. 1549, bird strike. He lost both engines, returning immediately.
Which engine?
He lost thrust in both engines, he said. Cactus 1549, if we can get it for you, do you want to try to land runway 13?
We are unable. We may end up in the Hudson.
I got an A320 diving for the river. Al, stack all the inbounds to LaGuardia.
Let's put a hold on the tower, please. Come on, guys, stand point.
What about over to our right? Anything in New Jersey, maybe Teterboro?
Teterboro Tower, I need a runway. Cactus 1549 needs to go to the airport right now. Newark Tower, what have you got?
You have runway 29 cleared and ready. You need emergency landing?
Yes. Okay, yeah, off your right side is Teterboro Airport. Available if you want to make left traffic to runway 4.
I don't think we can make any runway. What about over to our right? Anything in New Jersey, maybe Teterboro?
Okay, yeah, off your right side is Teterboro Airport. LaGuardia departure, got emergency inbound.
This is Teterboro Tower. Go ahead.
Cactus 1549 over the GW Bridge. Needs to go to the airport right now.
Check. Does he need assistance?
Yes, bird strike. Can I get him in for runway 1? Cactus 1549, you want to try and go to Teterboro?
Obstacle, obstacle. Obstacle, obstacle. Pull up.
Clear of conflict.
No reload after 30 seconds. Engine master 1 and 2 confirm off.
Off.
Wait 30 seconds.
Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain.
This is the captain. Brace for impact.
500.
Cactus 1549, turn right 280. You can land runway 1 Teterboro.
We can't make it.
Okay, which runway would you like at Teterboro?
Go ahead, try number 1.
Number 1. No relight.
We're gonna end up in the Hudson.
Too low. Terrain.
I'm sorry, say again, Cactus?
Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain.
All right, let's put the flaps down. Put the flaps down.
Flaps out.
Cactus 1549, radar contact lost. You also got Newark off you at 2 o'clock at about 7 miles.
Got flaps out. 250 feet in the air.
Pull up.
Now, if you'll turn to page 7, we can look at asset identification.
Pull up.
Brace! Brace! Heads down! Stay down!
It's okay. When you're ready.
Heads down! Stay down!
We're not gonna make it, Uncle Robbie.
I love you, Mom. Heads down! Stay down!
Your stars.
And all the way back. Heads down! Stay down!
170 knots. Got no power in either one. Try the other one.
Try the other one.
249?
Terrain.
Still out?
150 knots.
Terrain.
Got flaps 2. You want more?
No, let's do it.
You got runway 29 available at Newark. It'll be 2 o'clock at 7 miles.
You got any ideas?
Caution. Terrain.
Actually, not.
Terrain. Terrain. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.